Why does your scanner show the P2682 engine code? What does it mean? P2682 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant bypass valve control circuit low. This engine code indicates that means there's a fault in the electrical circuit of the coolant bypass valve, preventing it from controlling coolant flow to the heater core and engine properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty engine coolant bypass valve, wiring harness issues, poor electrical connection, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.